9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They said there's a pie eating competition over there, and I'm like, really? I've never entered anything like that before. So I came over, I put my name down, they didn't believe me, and I came over and started to eat some pie and won the competition. So it was like, wow, I guess I was as hungry as I thought. But I'd already had brunch, so I just wanted some dessert. That's the only reason I did it.
Happy 75th Farmers Market. You rock.